So always eyes on the orange cones, right?
Yeah, but looking as far ahead as you can.
Okay.
Off you go. So before I even applied the brake, I had already started looking to the left. Yep, let the car drift out to the right. Be looking, yep. Brake now, off the brake. Back to power. Hard brake, look to the left though. Don't turn in so early. See, this is why we're gonna go off the track here. It's a late turn in. It's where that cone is. What's happening is you're turning as soon as you look, but you have to look before you turn there. Look way out there. Brake, nope, turn in early there too.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let it go out to the right. On the brake. Brake, wait. Now turn in. Now look over there. Watch. Now we're going to be right lined up. Now on throttle. See? It's a late turn in. Keep to the right.
My bad.
You need me to hold the start?
Slow.
Mm-hmm.
The reason why they're going to fix cones, which is
Okay, yeah, I understand.
the reason why we do a late turn in is because a late turn in makes the straightaway before the corner longer, and it makes the straightaway after the corner longer. If you turn in early, you make a bunch of real estate that could have been a straightaway into the corner.
Okay.
And that's why you don't do it. That isn't true on every corner, but most corners. So watch.
So basically,
is this cone.
I'm basically here, then clip
Turn
it.
that head though way early before you even get to it at that orange cone. Now watch. Now we'll line up right where we want to be. So we're unwinding the wheel, unwinding it. Now we're in the right spot.
Is the track clear?
Have the right to pit lane. What happens is that it's a very natural inclination as drivers. When we go faster, we start wanting to turn in early because it feels quicker. It also feels safer. It is neither of those things. It's quicker initially until we suddenly realize that we're off the racing line. And now it stops being fast.